Hello Internet, I am Oliver from Child Media, and today I am going to be showing you how to make some channel art for your YouTube channel. So, currently my channel doesn't have any channel art, so let me just show you what I mean. If I just go to my channel, yeah, you don't see any big picture up there. So if I just go to my friends here, he has this sort of like codey, strange one. So, how do we do this? Let me show you in Photoshop. First of all, I just want to go to google.com or co.uk, I don't care, it just redirects me. But I'm just going to go on images and search for YouTube channel art templates and enter. I wonder where it is. It's sort of like 560 by 1440. Okay then. Yeah, so I'm just going to drag this to my desktop and right click and open with Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so here you can see that we've got this file open in Photoshop. So first thing I usually do, I usually just drag opacity down to around 50-ish%, 75% will do. Right, and basically that. So now what the hard task is to basically get an image for it. So my channel sort of represents media, so I'm going to search media 1920 x 1080. So I think I might manually create this actually. So actually I'm just going to make that up a bit more so I can see it, and I'm going to go to black on source sans. I think this doesn't come default on all computers, so yeah, I think I downloaded it, so I could just type child media there. This actually could be nice simplistic actually. I rarely ever do it, but you know, you want to get it as nice as big as possible just so like people know that you've got a YouTube channel basically. So I'm just also going to put that on top of that and hide it, and press G to get fill and go on there and like that. I also think I might just make it sort of like a bit darker, so FD right there. It's a bit more paperish now, and let's just have a look at that, and then just move the opacity down. So now you can sort of see that like whereabouts it would be. So we've got the important bit on all devices. Brilliant. So now the task is to get a bit more information on and to make it look a bit nicer. So I'm going to do at child media YT, and then I'm also going to get the Twitter logo. So if you don't follow me on Twitter, I post like about like new videos and stuff. So just check me out on that. So no. Oh, I don't want that. So Twitter logo SVG. I'm going to search that because then I can resize it as large as I like. Right then. So let's just sort of move you down a bit. No, why does it always do that? I don't like it. So I'm just going to hold Shift and Alt and then just drag at the corner and enter to get rid of the transform. And I'm also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to double click here and click on stroke. I'm going to choose a white stroke and then do around 95%. Right, let's try that. Oh. Right then. Okay, so I'm also going to put like a little shadow on it. So double click again. Oh, I need to enter. So double click and outer glow. Okay, I'm gonna choose a sort of size. Okay, okay, noise 0, sort of like that. So let's just move it down a bit, and let's just change the stroke a bit as well. So let's change that to 7.5. Oh, 6 maybe, because that looks. Okay, let's just hide this a sec. I think that looks quite nice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press Command or Control T. I'm going to align these two and enter, and then hold Command or Control and press the twister icon. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Link Layers, and then I'm going to do Control T again, and then I'm going to properly center it. Okay, it appears it was already centered, which is nice. So I think there's only one more thing we can do to this. That is sort of maybe 2 more things actually. Paper texture. Just sort of. And that's not right. Right. Let's just see if we can make that look more natural. By doing that. And maybe get like a newspaper page. Newspaper background. So let's just move it to center again. And then we've already Control T'd it. So I'm going to hold Shift and Alt as I have with every other image. Resize it a lot. Sort of scale it down in opacity. Right. And I might also put like the little thing that I put everywhere. And I'm going to do that in light italic sort of sans. A child who likes to give you tips in media. And I'm not actually quite sure if I should leave it in that font style, so I'm just going to see if it looks nicer in italic. I think that looks quite nice. Okay then, so I'm happy with that. So what we do now, and I'm just going to go to export and quick export as PNG. And I'm trusting that because it says quick. I'm just going to overwrite that because, you know, I can. Okay, so now we are on the YouTube website, and as you can see, I have no channel art still, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do is click Customize Channel, Add Channel Art, and then select photo from your computer. So I'm just going to click channelart.png, and here it will show us the preview, so I quite like that, and Okay, let's just click auto enhance and see if it does anything nicer. No, I don't really like that actually. Okay, so I'm going to click select and it will save. It will work. Okay then. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it basically. I'll be trying to do more videos like this every Saturday and Wednesday, but I can't promise that. So, thank you for watching everybody. See you later, and goodbye.